Another concept I want us to look at is schemas. Imagine you're entering a building for the first time and you're trying to navigate this building. You won't know your way around initially, but if someone should hand you the blueprint of that building, the design, then you'll be able to see the different places, maybe where the bedroom is, where the offices are, and to be easier for you to navigate through that building because you have the blueprint, you have the design of the building. Same thing applies to a database. Now, sometimes a database can look complex, especially when you have a lot of tables in it and you don't even know the relationship between these tables, or you're new to the database and you have to analyze some data, you don't know where to go to find that particular data. What you can do is you can use the schema. Schemas are the blueprints of a database. They give you that overview of a database design. So they show you the tables that are there in the database, and they can show you any relationship that exists between the table. Besides that, it also allows you to know the different data types that each column of the table is holding. So this is an example of what a schema could look like in a database. So in this database here, we have three tables. We have table for genre, music genre, we have another one for the album, and we have another one for the artist. So these are three different tables, and we can see that the schema is also showing us the relationship, that there's a relationship that exists between artists and albums, and there's another one that exists between genre and albums. You can see all the column names in this table: albums, the album ID, the album name, the date released, the artist ID which links it to this artist, and the genre ID which links it to the music genre. In this example, the relationship that exists between artist and album is one to many, meaning one music artist can have multiple albums, can have many albums. For example, the artist NF has different albums, so that's a relationship that this database is also capturing. And then the relationship that exists between genre and albums would be many to many, because a music genre can belong to many albums, or the albums in the music in the albums could have different music genre, and a particular music genre, let's say pop, could have many albums associated with it. So all of this is not something you should worry about at this moment. Just want you to have that idea of what schemas are.